Okay, in the previous lesson, I've shown you how to create this report in the blank report by going to the create and go to the report tab or report group and by choosing the blank report. Also, I've shown you how to create or define the record source. After creating the blank report, you will go to the design tab and go to the tools group and click the property sheet. In the property sheet, make sure in the selection type report was shown, and then in the data tab, record source field, click the S arrow and then choose your record source. In our case, the query customer is our record source. Now after you selected the record source, go to the add existing fields and you will see in the field list the fields in that record source. The fields available in that record source will be shown here in the field list. Now in our report we need the customer company name, so double click the customer company name, or you can drag it and then select the customer address. This is the concatenated field that we did in the record source. We need the office telephone number, so drag it, and then we need the customer fax number, so drag it. So we need 4. We have selected the customer company name, customer address, customer telephone number, and customer fax number. So many students are confused why the fields were repeated twice, or were repeated, I mean, but it's not repeated actually. The one in your left is the label. The fields in your right are the fields or the text boxes. So this is the label, these are the text boxes. Inside the name, inside the text boxes are the field names. The labels can be changed, but please don't touch or change the text inside the text boxes, because in the text boxes these are the field names, and if you will change this, the report will result into error. So now let's go back to our sample. I will show you now how to prepare the header. Let's go to the sample report sample. See, the header is has a background of red, and then the text was changed into white, and it's bold also. So let's go now to Microsoft Access. Now these are the labels I said, so we'll place this in the page header because we would like to repeat the header in every page. So you can select each and then Control X and then go to the page header and Control V. Okay, so it's good, it's already here, so we have a label. Now select the second one, Control X, go to the page header, Control V. Now it's on top of the other header, so drag it, drag, okay, and then this one, Control X, select again, Control V, drag the one, Control X, and then select Control V, then this one. Now this is the header, this is the company name, so place this text box at the bottom of the customer company name. Place this at the bottom also. Customer address, customer office telephone number, the bottom of the header, customer office telephone number, and then fax number, place it here also at the bottom of the customer office number. Now we would like to make this background red, and we would like to make the text white and bold. So let us change the background first. Click the page header and go to the data, design tab, go to the tools group, choose the property sheet, and then make sure that in the selection type it's a page header section, so any changes that you make will be reflected in the page header section. Now go to the format and look for back color field. Back color means background color. So this is the symbol for white. Change it to, click the dot, go to the standard colors and choose the dark red. Double click dark red. Now it was changed. Now click on the bottom field, and then you will see that the background was changed now into red. Now we would like to change the text into white. So how to select the whole labels? You can move this cursor, and once it's changed, cursor into the ruler, and once it's changed into a right dark arrow, click, single click, and all the text box will be selected. Once it's selected, go to the design, font group, and then font should be white. Standard colors, select the white, so it's changed to white now, and then the design, font group, bold. It's bold now. Now you'd like to change also the header into more readable text. So from cost company name, you can double click this and select and change it into company name. Company name. This one, double click, select, pick this address, double click, change this to office telephone number, double click, select, change it into fax number. Yes. Now we're almost done. Now we have to organize our report. So you can from the design view move, let's change the view into layout view. Now in the layout view you will see that the our data, the distance between each data is too high, so we'll decrease that later. But in order to decrease that, go to the design view again, and you will see this edge. We will narrow down this edge into like this by dragging. And now if you'll come back now again to the layout view, you will see that the distance is preferable now. Now this is the company name. You will see the Riyadh Military Hospital. The text box is not enough, so you can increase it. Okay, so it's okay now. The address, you will see Saudi Arabia is partly shown, so you can increase this. Okay, so we need to move this. Move. Okay, increase this. Okay, align this. So this is now the detail of your report. I will show you how to make the groupings. See you then.